Hello guys, tingnan nyo itong video na to. Maraming benefits. Ang tawag nito ratap, pero dates talaga ito sa English. Mayroong malalaki, brown, yellow, may maroon nito. Ito yung pink. Ito po siya, hinugasan na. 3 beses po ito hugasan para malinis na malinis. Ito yung class E. Ito siya. Ito maya-maya kasi kahugas lang niya, may tubig pa. Tatakpan na to para sure talagang malinis siya. Ito po ang press talaga, galing pa sa puno pero hinog na. Ito po siya guys, ang tuyo na. Ito yung number 1 talaga siya, class E ang tawag nito. Ito talaga class E. Pupunasan pa ito para maganda talaga bago lagay sa Tupperware. Ito na po siya yung mga tapos na. Ito kasi pang konsumo lang dito sa bahay. Karamihan kasi sa farm talaga galing, diretso na sa factory, pero ito dinala sa bahay para konsumo lang. Ito po siya yung yung madumi na, yung hindi pwede. Papakain na to sa karnero at kambing.
Dates are the fruit of the date palm tree, which is grown in many tropical regions of the world. Dates have become quite popular in recent years. Almost all dates sold in Western countries are dried. You can tell whether or not dates are dried based on their appearance. A wrinkled skin indicates they're dried, whereas a smooth skin indicates freshness. Depending on the variety, fresh dates are very small in size and range in colour from bright red to bright yellow. The Jewel and Degley Noir dates are the most commonly consumed varieties. Dates are chewy with a sweet flavour. They're also high in some important nutrients and have a variety of advantages and uses. In this video, I'm going to show you 18 health benefits of eating dates and how to incorporate them into your diet. So number 1, dates can improve bone health. Dates are rich in selenium, manganese, copper and magnesium, and all these are required when it comes to keeping our bones healthy and preventing conditions such as osteoporosis. Number 2, dates are excellent natural sweeteners. Dates are a source of fructose, which is a natural type of sugar found in fruit. For this reason, dates are very sweet and also have a subtle caramel-like taste. They make a great healthy substitute for white sugar in recipes due to their nutrients, fibre and antioxidants. The best way to substitute dates for white sugar is to make a date paste. It is made by mixing dates with water in a blender. A rule of thumb is to replace sugar with date paste at about a 1-to-1 ratio. Number 3, dates preserve brain function in the elderly. Degeneration of brain tissue is an accepted reality of aging, although it does not need to be the case. Many of these adverse changes are related to excessive inflammation, which can be slowed down if the effects of cortisol and other oxidants are controlled. Dates are known to be excellent buffers of cortisol, reducing the inflammatory influence of it. Number 4, help prevent night blindness. Many people struggle with vision under poor lighting conditions, even though their eyes may be physically in great shape. This has many causes, but among them are those caused by deficiency of vitamin A or its related carotenoids and antioxidants. This is where dates can play an important role in delaying macular degeneration of the eye as a result of aging, helping preserve vision for a longer time. Number 5, promote weight gain. It sounds like a weird benefit because who would want to gain weight? But yes, there are people that are too skinny and are looking to put on some pounds. Then dates could be one of the additions to your diet. According to a study conducted on lambs, weight gain was observed by as much as 30% following the consumption of ground date seeds. This could also be observed in humans, although more research is required. Number 6, prevent hemorrhoids. This holds true especially in the case of pregnancy. Hemorrhoids are a common complication during pregnancy, and this can be caused by inadequate fibre intake. Dates are excellent sources of fibre, so they can help prevent hemorrhoids during pregnancy. Number 7. Dates improve skin. Dates contain vitamin C and D, which works on your skin's elasticity and also keeps your skin smooth. Plus, if you suffer from skin problems, incorporating dates into your diet may help you in the long run. Plus, dates also come with anti-aging benefits and prevent the accumulation of melanin in your body.
With 98%, just
Improve heart health. Just a handful of dates a day was found to improve heart health. The antioxidants in dates prevent arteries from getting hard and clogged with plaque. These antioxidants stimulate cholesterol removal from the artery cells. Dates also contain isoflavones, the second highest of any fruit. They are known to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 9. Regulate blood pressure. Dates are rich in potassium, and this mineral helps lower blood pressure levels. One date contains about 167 milligrams of potassium, which is relatively high compared to other fruits. Not taking adequate potassium can lead to kidney stones as well. Number 10. Help cholesterol levels. There are actually many different varieties of dates with differing nutritional profiles. By far the most common variety is the Medjool type, but another one called Halawai has shown potential in reducing blood cholesterol levels. The Halawai variety also possesses a greater proportion of catechins. These are compounds related to those in tea that have cholesterol lowering effect. They simultaneously reduce levels of the bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise concentration of good HDL. Variety is the Medjool type. Another one called Halawai has shown potential in reducing blood cholesterol levels. The Halawai variety also possesses a greater proportion of catechins. These are compounds related to those in tea that have cholesterol lowering effect. They simultaneously reduce levels of the bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise concentration of good HDL levels, even though they have a relatively high sugar level. Number 11. They help reduce belly fat. The fibre in dates gets the credit again. It makes you feel full up and discourages overeating. Also, since they are sweet, they might satisfy your need for a sweet tooth without having to opt for the less healthier options. Number 12. Prevent hair loss. Being rich in iron, dates promote blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth. This happens as oxygen is properly dispersed to your entire body, your scalp included. This ultimately prevents hair loss and stimulates new hair growth. Number 13. Dates for constipation. Studies have shown that the date pulp extract stimulates the gastrointestinal activity and can aid in treating constipation. The pulp of the fruit achieves this by correcting the mineral content deregulation that occurs during constipation. According to the University of Rochester Medical Center, inadequate intake of fibre could cause constipation. Dates, being good sources of fibre, can solve this problem. Eating a minimum of 20 to 35 grams of fibre every day makes your stool soft and prevents the condition. And more importantly, limits your consumption of foods that contain no fibre at all. Number 14. Provide a rapid energy source. Dates are comprised of a large proportion of simple sugars, being mainly in the form of glucose and fructose, which are used heavily for energy within the body. Consuming a few dates prior to exercise or strenuous activity ensures that your brain and muscles have enough energy to perform at high intensity. Dates are also convenient to keep if you're a diabetic, as their sugars are rapidly absorbed into the blood for use in the case of an event where your blood sugar drops too low too fast. They should not be consumed frequently if you struggle to keep your blood sugar under control though, as their generous carbohydrate content can add to your diabetes woes. Number 15. Support healthy pregnancy. Have you heard of the benefits of dates during pregnancy? One way dates help pregnant women is their calories. Pregnant women need about 300 calories more than their non-pregnant peers. But most pregnant women tend to choose high-calorie foods that are low in nutrients, which is a mistake. This is where dates can help. Though a little high in calories, they are immensely nutrient-dense, and we have already seen how the fibre in dates prevent pregnancy hemorrhoids. According to a Jordan study, consuming dates in the last 4 weeks before labour can produce a more favourable outcome. Dates are also known to strengthen the muscles of the uterus in the last months of pregnancy. Number 16, rich in vitamins. Dates contain vitamins such as B1, B2, B3 and B5, as well as A1 and C. If you have a few dates every day, you won't have to take any vitamin supplements. Not only will it keep you healthy, but there will be a noticeable change in your energy levels. Number 17, strengthen the nervous system. Dates are loaded with potassium and yet contain little sodium, and that goes a long way in keeping your nervous system in order. The potassium helps to reduce the cholesterol and keeps the risk of a stroke in check. Number 18, rich in iron. Apart from the fluorine that keeps your teeth healthy, dates also contain iron, which is highly recommended for those who suffer from iron deficiency. Severe iron deficiency anemia may cause fatigue or tiredness, shortness of breath or chest pain. Plus it's great for blood purification as well. So the conclusion is dates are a very healthy fruit to include into your diet. They are high in several nutrients, fibre and antioxidants, all of which provide health benefits ranging from improved digestion to reduced risk of disease. There are several ways to add dates to your diet. One popular way is to eat them is a natural sweetener in various dishes. They also make a great snack. It's easiest to find dates in their dried form, though these are higher in calories than fresh fruit, so it's important to eat them in moderation. Dates are definitely worth adding to your diet as they are both nutritious and delicious.
Thank you guys. Yan po ang mga benepisyo ng dates. Sana po nag-e-enjoy kayo sa panunood nyo dito. Pasensya na po. Thank you. God bless.